Webby, welcome back to another video. As you can probably tell, I'm a little bit excited today because I'm filming with something really special. My favourite car, the Ferrari 458 Speciale Aperta. So if I get a bit carried away, talk too much, get excited, it's going to happen. You know, it's going to happen today because this is my favourite car in the world, and I've got the opportunity to film it today, thanks to the owner. So we're going to have a beautiful day here in Melbourne. It's going to be 24 degrees. We're going to get the roof down. It's just going to be the perfect day for filming the Ferrari 458 Speciale Aperta. So let's get started, shall we? Let's just get on with it. If you're a petrol head, you'll know exactly what this car is. It's the very last naturally aspirated V8 Ferrari that they've ever made, because everything is going hybrid and that sort of thing now and turbocharged. So this is a really special car. There's only 499 in the world. There's only, I believe, 49 as a right-hand drive model, and we've only got a couple of examples of this here in Australia. So all those factors make it such a rare and special car that to be able to film this today is such a privilege and such an honour. And if I'm honest, I'm just like a kid in a sweet shop today. A kid on Christmas morning in a sweet shop with an unlimited budget of how many sweets you want to buy. That's the level of excitement. So yeah, I will ramble a little bit today just because I'm super excited about this car. I'm going to show you a little bit around the car as much as I can to my knowledge. We're going to go for a drive, we're going to film it, we're going to get the drone out. So what we've got here in terms of the spec of the car, so colour is Rosso Corsa, which is what people a lot have known as a traditional Ferrari colour. And the stripes you can see are what they call NART stripes, so North American Racing Team, which is actually quite an expensive option to put on the car. But if you buy a Ferrari Speciale without the stripes, yeah, it kind of doesn't really look like a Speciale, so it's very sort of discreet. In my mind, you have to have the stripes on a Speciale, just so you kind of know what it is and that type of thing. So being the Aperta, so the open top version of the Speciale, it's got a different wheel design. So these wheels are specific to the Aperta version. There's lots and lots of carbon fibre around the car as well, which the owner has chosen to put on when he ordered the car. And it just adds to everything. It just adds to the whole experience, the specialness of the car. Yeah, there's just not words to say. If you know this car, you will know how excited this opportunity is for me at the minute. Another really good view of the car is actually from the back, because you get to see the twin tailpipes. You can see, careful the bushes. So from the back you can see the rear end. You've got the twin exhaust. You've got this lovely lip spoiler that comes off in the back of the car, and then you can see the whole design of the stripes on the back, which fan out towards the sides. Mid-engined, obviously. The bonnet is somewhere under there, which we'll have a look at a bit later. So that's a very quick tour of this car. We're gonna, like I say, we're gonna go for a bit of filming. We're gonna find some fantastic roads. The weather's beautiful, so we'll get the roof down, and we're gonna have some fun filming. So come and join me. The reason this particular car is so special, it's the very last of the naturally aspirated V8 Ferraris. It's the special version. It's the Aperta, so it's the open version. But I want to just show you the actual engine itself and tell you a little bit about it. So it's a 4.5 litre V8, develops 445 kilowatt and 540 newton meters of torque, does 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 3 seconds, and it's got a 7-speed control clutch transmission. Basically all that makes for an absolutely fantastic car, which sounds superb, drives superb, looks superb. But yeah, and so the heart of the beast is this engine just under the back here. You can't see very much in the Aperta, purely because obviously you've got the mechanism for the roof. But that's fine, we can hear it, so that's the most important thing. This is like getting into a go-kart. I do like these seats, they are amazing. Yeah, exactly. So the ultimate bit of today for me is Simon's actually going to take me for a little ride in this car. So there may be squealing, there may be laughter, I might cry like a little girl, but I don't care, I'm just going to enjoy this. Shall we go? Absolutely, yes, let's go. video, guys. We are cruising along in this beautiful sunny weather here in Melbourne. I hope you can hear me.
Stuck behind a slow driving Porsche.
Stuck behind a slow driving Porsche. But that's the end of the video.
Luckily we've got a clear run up.
I have to say a massive thank you to Simon, the owner of the Speciale Aperta. I'm trying to hold the camera still while we're filming. But thanks for joining me for the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. It has been the best day of my life for sure, without a doubt. Like the video if you've enjoyed it, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and watch out for more feature videos to come. We're off.